beautifuls, welcome to my channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Thank you guys for joining me today. So guys, I have our first box of the year, which is going to be our Boxycharm by IPSY box, and this box has currently went up in price along with everything else. It's now $30 plus $1.99 shipping and handling plus tax based on where you live at. You get 5 full-size products in this box. It's a mixture between makeup and skincare. So let's get into this January box. Let's see how Boxycharm is starting off the year, and let's see what's in here. So guys, we do get a little, I guess, a mini newspaper is the best way I can describe it, and gives you a little bit of information. It says glow your soul, so that's the theme of the box for the month of January 2024. Inside we do get some information about our products and information about what's in our box, along with some prices here on some things. Not everything has a price with it. So we're just going to get right into this and see what's in here and go from there. So guys, the first item in our box I pulled out, we have a Glow Recipe product. We have the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Sunscreen, and it has an SPF of 50. This product is valued at $35. Again, this is a full-size bottle, and this is what it looks like outside of the packaging. And so guys, this is supposed to be a lightweight SPF lotion here that we can use, and I believe it's supposed to not leave a white cast if I remember correctly. So I'm gonna just put a little dot here just to see how this kind of works and if it leaves any cast on me, because that's like the main reason I have issues with sunscreen, is you end up with like a white cast over your face, which is not cool. But it looks like, yeah, it looks like it blends right in. I don't see any white cast on the back of my hand. Looks really good. So I can definitely use this and make some good use out of this one with no white cast, which is really dope. So we're going to go on to the next item in our box. So let's see what else we have here. We have the Gold Fatten MD. This is the Doctor Scrub, and this one has is an exfoliator for your face. So that's good. Let's see what this one is valued at. I think here, this is actually valued at $70. Woo! So it says this scrub is supposed to help polish away any kind of dead surface skin, and helps leaving the skin looking brighter and tighter, it says. Okay. Alright, so that sounds good. It has some hyaluronic acid in it and some skin quenching hydration that lasts. So that's dope. That's a good product to use this time of year with all this cold weather and our skin drying out. So a good way to get rid of some of them dead skin cells. So let's see what else is in here. So guys, our next product I pull out, we have a Penrose product, and this is a perfume. It's called Wild Child, and I believe this is like a roller size. Yeah, one with the roller. And this is valued at $30, they say. I haven't used this before, but you know, I love perfume, so let's see. Oh, it has a nice scent. It smells kind of clean. That's a nice scent. It's not like too perfumey or nothing. It's kind of clean. What it says here is unleash your inner wild child with this flirty and fierce fragrance. It's a blend of, let's see, bergamot, freesia, jasmine, gardenia are some of the top notes, and vanilla and amber notes are also in here. I would say that's true. I do smell the gardenia. Very kind of clean scent. I like this though, but I like it. I like it. So let's see what else is in here. And again, this was valued at $30 for the Penrose Wild Child perfume roller. So guys, the next item I pulled out, we have a Pink Lips product. We have a soft matte contour stick. Okay, this is valued at $18. Let's see what color I have. What did they call this? Espresso is the contour stick color I have. So this is our color right here. That is a good contour color for me. That's a nice dark color. I think this will work pretty smooth for me. And again, this is valued at $18. Very reasonable for a matte contour, which is cool. So we'll definitely can use that. So let's see what else is in here. So guys, the next item I'm pulling out of here is Cupid's Arrow. So this looks like this is a, is it a eyeliner? Looks like an eyeliner. It says full color stylo intense. So let's see where we pull. Oh, okay, yeah, definitely an eyeliner. Look how thick the tip is on this one. So you definitely can make a very intense look on this one. So guys, this brand is called Nebula. I've never heard of them before. This would be my first time using this brand. The eyeliner here is valued at $18. It says, looking for lines as precise as your Cupid's arrow, you finally met your match. This is a multi-use pencil. It's boasts of a rich and creamy texture with immediate and intense color payoff. It's perfect for anything for like a smoky eye, smudge look, or precise sharp line. So yeah, let's take a, oh yeah, that one is very intense. Look at that. Look at that. That's a very intense eyeliner here. Yeah. And yeah, you could definitely smoke that out with a brush a bit and kind of give it yourself a smoky look. So again, this was the Nebula Cupid's Arrow eyeliner valued at $18. So guys, in review, we got 5 items in this box. We have the Penrose Wild Child Perfume Roller. We have the Pink Lips Matte Contour Cream. We have the Glow Recipe Niacinamide SPF 50. We have the Dr. Scrub. We have the Nebula eyeliner for our box for January 2024. So I love getting perfume. I am a fragrance person. I love fragrance. I thought this had a nice clean smell. Definitely can use this and wear it. Don't know about the longevity. Haven't heard of Penrose before. So this is my first time being introduced to this product. So I think that's pretty cool. But overall, I thought the box was okay. There was nothing in here that kind of blew it out of the water for me. I don't know how you guys feel about your boxes, but it was just an okay box. I mean, I guess we have a good mixture of kind of everything this month. Makeup, perfume, skincare with the SPF, and a exfoliator. So yeah, I mean, it was definitely a good mix of products, but nothing in particular kind of blew it out of the water for me with this box this month. So I can't say they started off the year with a pow, but you know, I feel like it was just an okay box. So I would love to know if you guys got something different in your box. What you got in your box? Because I mean, this was just okay. I'm not impressed. It was just okay. I mean, we can all use everything in here, but there was nothing in here that was over the top for me. But guys, that is my box for January 2024. Happy New Year to you guys. I forgot to say that in the beginning. So if you guys have not already subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so. I do post weekly. I love showing you guys what I am picking up in my subscription boxes, as well as the things that I'm purchasing. So if you're newsy like me and you love seeing what other people get in their boxes, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell, and it'll let you know when I next post. But guys, until my next video, stay warm, be blessed, and Happy New Year. Catch you on the next one. Bye.